Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to record your PC screen using one of the best screen capture software out there, Capture Screen Recorder. Capture Screen Recorder is one of the many products of 2Rockets. Capture Screen Recorder is a free and open source application. To download it, you are going to head over to the official website 2rockets.com. When you're on the site, you can go ahead and hit on the free download button to kick off your download. So after downloading and installing the application on your computer, when you open it, you are going to see something like this. So right here within the home screen, you can make many of the configuration you want for your recorder. Within the mode, you can select what part of your screen you want to record. You can choose whether you want to record a full screen or you want to record a certain area of your screen. When you hit on the area button, you can go ahead and select what part of your screen you want to record. You can even record a game or your camera. Next, you have the audio. Within the audio, you can select your audio source. You can choose whether you want to record your system sound and your microphone at the same time, or you only want to record your system sound or your microphone only. You can even choose to mute the audio. Down here within the customize, you can set different levels for your system sound and microphone. So when you are done, you can go ahead and click on the OK button. Next, you have the quality. Within the quality, you can set your video quality. So right here, I have different options. I have highest, I have SD, and I also have HD. So remember, the higher your video quality, the higher the space it will consume. Next, you have your recording format. Within the format, you can choose what format you want. You can choose whether you want your video to be in AVI format or MP4 format or FLV. Next, you have your camera. So if you have multiple camera connected to your PC, you can choose which one of them you want right here. Down here on the part, you can choose where you want your video to be saved when you are done recording. So to select a part, you can click on this button right here, the change directory button, and then you can go ahead and select the location where you want your video or your recording to be saved. When you are there, you can go ahead and click on the OK button. On the left hand side of your screen, within the My Captures, you get to see all your recent captures listed here. Down here within the edit, you can do a very basic video editing on your recording, which is streaming. You can trim any excess parts of your recording that you don't want. So if you go over to your settings right here, within the settings, you can do more configurations. So right here within the general, you can select whether you want the application to be minimized immediately your recording starts. You can also enable and disable your countdown timer. Down here, you can also make a few settings on your mouse cursor. You can enable click sound. You can even highlight your mouse. So when you click on the highlight button or when the highlight button is checked, right here you can choose color of your highlight. So after selecting your color, you can go ahead and click on OK. Down here you can enable click effects for your left and right click. So for your left click, you can select a color and also you can select a color for your right click. You can set different hotkeys for your recorder. You can set hotkeys to start and pause the recording, to stop recording, and also enable annotate. Next, you have the watermark. You can add custom watermark to your recording. You can add an image watermark. You can also add a text watermark. So if you have any image or logo you want to add to your recording as a watermark, you can select this image watermark button right here. And then you can go ahead and click on add button. So when you click on add button, you can go ahead and select the location where you have your logo or the image you want to add as a watermark. So I'm going to select one of these and then I'm going to click on the open button. So when you click on the open button, down here you get a preview. So right here, I can adjust the size of my watermark by simply dragging on the sides, and then I can position it on any part of the screen that I want. So I want it to be on the bottom right corner of my screen. So I'm going to leave it right here. And then at the top right here, you can set the transparency for your watermark. That is how transparent you want it to be. So when you are done with all the settings, you can go ahead and click on the OK button. But if you don't want an image watermark, you want a text watermark, you can go ahead and click on this text. Right here on this feed, you can type in your custom text you want to add as a watermark. You can set transparency, you can set color of the text, and then down here you can select the position where you want the text to be. So when you are done, you can go ahead and click on the OK button. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select the image watermark. So this is what I want, so I'm done. I'm going to click on OK. So after configuring your recorder, to start recording, you can go ahead and hit on this recording button to kick off your recording. So immediately your recording starts, you get this toolbox right here. So right here within the toolbox, you can view your microphone levels. You can pause your recording. You can also resume your recording by hitting on this play button right here. Next, you have the annotate button. With the annotate button, you get the set of tools that you can use to annotate your screen right here. Next, you have your home button. With the home button, you can go back to the capture screen recorder home screen. So to stop your recording, you can go ahead and hit on this stop recording button. So immediately you stop your recording, you are going to see your recording listed within My Captures. You will also find your recording on the file path you selected here. So in my case, I have it on my desktop. So here it is on my desktop. So if I play this right now, so immediately your recording starts, you get this toolbox right here. So right here within the toolbox, you can view your microphone. So this is the recording I just made. So as you can see, I have my watermark down here and I also have my mouse highlighted. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how to use the capture screen recorder to record your PC screen. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give this video a like and also do well to support my channel by hitting on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.